Sovrin has a 94% on Token Metrics. Are you bullish? Would you invest? It does not have a 94%. That was an error, I believe, or actually our team was still entering that into Token Metrics. So Sovrin does not. Let me see the updated grade. So Sovrin. So right, Sovrin, this is assuming they do an IEO. They had a private sale over a year ago and also raised money from equity investors. Technology-wise, man, wow. I mean, so people saying have dry powder, be on the sidelines. Obviously not financial advice, but Paresh Mansani, our developer from JP Morgan, Goldman Sachs, Thomson Reuters, he loves the technology on Sovrin. The fundamentals, however, fundamental analysis is not quite there yet, but just looking at these two data points, we're definitely, look, as Token Metrics says, we are bullish on Sovrin officially. However, that does not mean go out on FOMO and buy. It just means it's definitely a project to keep an eye on. It's something to put on your watch list. There are a US company. So my guess is the only way to really create a token, being a US based company, is to follow the path Blockstack has done by getting qualified by the SEC. And from conversations to some early equity investors in Sovrin, I've been told that that's the path they're probably going to follow. I can't really comment anything else besides what I've just heard. But I mean, the tech is good. The technology is good. If you want to view the official research on the fundamentals and the technology, sign up at tokenmetrics.com. But Sovrin is definitely one to keep an eye on. You heard it here first. But that does not mean blindly buy. No, don't do that. Please do not do that. I mean, honestly, we've gone through so much in the last 1-2 years in crypto, in the bear market. Always do research. Just because something is bullish does not mean you blindly buy the top. No, guys, please do not do that. It just means keep an eye out on this. For those who don't know, Sovrin, I'll just read here, is a native blockchain built from the ground up, specifically to be a privacy by design identity layer of the internet. So it's really it's a blockchain with a focus on identity and privacy. Definitely one to keep an eye on. I mean, technology is good, but just because the tech is good does not mean it's going to do well. So we have to keep that in mind. So if anything, nowadays, I would not, if you have lots of money to invest, I wouldn't even really get in early. I would just keep an eye on it, wait for it to launch on exchanges to see some price action. And then once we have the technical analysis score as well, we can factor in all those three to find the right opportunity to get in. And more importantly, also know when to get out, because you have to know when to enter, you have to know when to get out. Active portfolio management is the key. And for those who are subscribed to tokenmetrics.com, we'll be sending out an exclusive video from Bill explaining active portfolio management. It's about 5 minutes or so. We'll send that out in about a week or so. And then we'll also be sending out other exclusive videos from Bill, really walking you through how to think when it comes to investing in cryptocurrencies, how to think when it comes to building a portfolio. And Bill's coming from this with the mindset of somebody who's been on Wall Street. So having that Wall Street background, his experience from Goldman Sachs, Morningstar, Charles Schwab, bringing that expertise, that human capital, and giving us a better perspective to give everybody who's a customer of Token Metrics that edge. Okay, all right, so back to the AMA.